from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
An honor for America's first great racehorse who has Henrico connections. And the Board of Supervisors will meet today. We'll have details about both stories in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Tuesday, January 14th, 2025, and it's brought to you today by DJ's Auto Details.
And now for the news.
Well, last month, members of the Henrico Historical Society gathered in Henrico's West End at the Tuckahoe Plantation to honor America's first great racehorse, Boston. They dedicated a state historical marker in his honor. The horse grew up in Henrico. Then between 1836 and 1843, Boston won about 40 of 45 known races on tracks up and down the East Coast. 15 of those races he won consecutively. One of them drew a crowd of 70,000 people. He was, however, known to have quite a temper. He often flopped over to try to get riders off his back. You can read much more about Boston and the new marker that bears his name right now at our website, henricocitizen.com. Henrico Public Utilities officials dealt with a number of broken water mains last week in addition to the water outage that affected part of the county. One of those breaks occurred at Staples Mill Road and Talbro Drive on Thursday night. It's the latest in a series of water main breaks that have occurred in that general area in the past year and a half or so. Public Utilities Director Bentley Chan told the Citizen that the line likely ruptured in part because of the very cold temperatures and also possibly as a result of the county's efforts to flow water from its western Henrico treatment facility to eastern Henrico earlier in the week. The water main along that section of Staples Mill Road dates back to the 1950s. Chan said his department has plans to replace a large section of the line from West Broad Street to Bethlehem Road, but first must complete a planning process later this spring and summer. In the interim, officials are planning to install new connections to serve all of the properties that front Staples Mill Road on the side on which the pipe is located, which should help keep their water service on in the event of future breaks to the line. Well, nominations are open through February 18th for the 2025 REB Award for Teaching Excellence, which identifies, recognizes, and supports teaching excellence in the Richmond area. Henrico County Public Schools honorees last year received grants for projects like following the footsteps of ancient cave painters in France and researching technology in Tanzania. The grants are designed to fuel instructors' love of learning while also empowering them to pass it on to their students. You can find a link to make a nomination right now on our website, henricocitizen.com, by looking for this article. And the Henrico Board of Supervisors will meet twice today, once at 4 p.m. in a work session in the County Manager's Conference Room in the Administration Building at the Henrico Government Center. The board will hear updates about county boards and commissions and the Henrico Environmental Action Resource Team, or HART. Then at 6 p.m., the board will hold its public meeting in the Board of Supervisors room at the Government Center. It's scheduled to review spending items, the decision to declare an emergency for Winter Storm Blair, and make a series of appointments to various county boards and committees. You can learn more right now at henricocitizen.com. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by DJ's Auto Details. From gleaming exteriors to pristine interiors, they provide expert care to make your car shine like new. Trust them for quality, convenience, and unbeatable results. You can book today at djsautodetails.com or call them at 804-499-0674.